Students, good morning. Yesterday we have discussed about the verbal communication, advantages and disadvantages. Verbal communication is easy and quick. You can say what you want and get a quick response. It is an easier form of communication when you have to exchange ideas. Disadvantages are the most common disadvantages of verbal communication is the cultural differences between the sender and receiver. For example, suppose you belong to other state and you belong another person is belong to another state, and you don't have the knowledge of the language of other state, then there is a disadvantage of how to communicate verbal communication. These differences may be due to the use of different languages, inability to understand the colloquial phrases used by the other individual, and the accent. Since verbal communication depends on words, sometimes the meanings become confusing and difficult to understand if the right words are not used. Public speaking, this is very important. Speaking in front of large group makes most people nervous. You can use the 3 P's: prepare, practice, perform method to get over your fears and become a confident and effective speaker. First of all, if you want speak in front of large peoples, then you should make preparation, practice, and perform. Prepare, think about your topic, think about what your listeners need to know about the topic. Think about the best way to make your listeners understand your topic. These are the prepare. Write what you plan to say. That means whenever you will go to a speech in front of large public, then you should do practice, prepare, perform. Practice. Practice by yourself. First talk in front of mirror. You should practice day by day in front of mirror by talking yourself. Talk in front of your family and friends and ask them what they think. Speak clearly, loudly, and the right speed, not very fast, not very slow. This is the practice. Perform. Take a few deep breaths if you are feeling nervous. Think about what you have prepared and start speaking confidently. These are the 3 P's to perform speaking in front of large groups, make most people nervous. You can use the 3 P's. First of all, prepare, practice, perform method. I think that all of you know about 3 P's. Now, the assignment: check your progress, multiple choice questions, choose the correct example of oral communications. When we communicate verbally, we should use why do we send emails. Check your short type answers, write down the different type of verbal communications, give an example for each type, explain the advantage of verbal communication according to you. What are the common and disadvantages of verbal communication? Define 3 P's of public speaking. You can do you will do these assignment and questions in your notebooks. I will check your assignments. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.